Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Smart Wealth. Today, I have a special guest with me, and his name is Ryan. He's an expert in creative AI tools, and we're going to explore an amazing program together.
Hi, thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here and can't wait to dive into the tool with you.
We bring you creative ideas and show you how to use them in real life.
Today, we're diving into something amazing with Whisk, step by step.
By the end, you'll see exactly how to use it to save time and maximize results.
Ever wondered how top professionals get things done faster and smarter?
In just 5 minutes, you'll see a method on Whisk that can save you hours of work.
All right, let's get started and explore step by step exactly how to use Whisk like a pro.
First, go to labs.google/fx and select Whisk. Then choose Enter Tool to open the main workspace.
At the bottom of the page, click on Add Image.
On the left side, different modes for working with Whisk appear. I will guide you through them carefully. There are 3 main columns: Subject, Scene, and Style.
Click on the subject. You'll see samples like humans, animals, or objects. I've selected a few samples here. Note, make sure the checkbox next to each sample is active, otherwise it won't be applied.
The second column is Scene. Click on the sample previews to explore scenes. Note, only one scene can be selected at a time.
The third column is Style. You can explore many different and beautiful styles. At any time, only one style can be applied, and you can save favorites for later.
For example, select 2 subjects, a woman and a phone. Choose a scene, select a style, or leave it empty. Then click Generate.
Another example, select a subject, like a fish, and pick a style. Click Generate. To change color, edit the detail and set the fish color to red. The images update accordingly.
Up to this point, we used ready-made images. Now you can upload your own image in the subject area, or write a short text prompt to generate one. The system analyzes your upload and makes it available for use.
You can use a scene as clothing for a subject. Select the woman in subject, pick a dress scene, remove extra elements if needed, and generate. The woman will wear that dress style.
Some extra settings to note: seed, a code to recreate the same character; aspect ratio, choose portrait 9:16 for vertical or 16:9 for landscape; and auto prompt. Whisk can suggest a prompt automatically. Before entering the tool, open Get Inspired to view sample prompts. You can copy a prompt, edit it, for example, change colors, and generate new images from your edits. Click Make Your Own on a sample image. You'll see the subject and style listed, and the full prompt below. Edit the prompt or replace the subject, then generate to create a new result.
Viewing these sample combinations gives you ideas to build on. Replace the subject, change the prompt, or upload your own image. Then generate to see fresh results.
Which feature do you find the most exciting in Whisk? Uploading your own subject, combining style, or using the Make Your Own option? Let us know in the comments.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that so you never miss more AI secrets from AI Smart Wealth.